Dalian Cnc Machiining Company Limited, established in 2005, specializing in manufacturing all kinds of machinery parts, high-accuracy parts, and mold and die accessory. The main machinery parts mean such as the parts of packaging machine, printing machine, electronic packaging equipment, metal processing equipment, food machinery. We are located in the beautiful coastal city Dalian, China, with convenient transportation of shipping. In order to provide our customers with better services, we have been investing large amount of funds into the introduction of the world's advanced fabricating equipment to finish multi-procedure requirements for single parts and mass production of bulk parts. We have now owned a group of highly skilled processing personnel, standards 8S management, and excellent business communication skills in English, Japanese, Chinese to satisfy customers' different language requirements. Our company runs global strategy and develops our business mainly to Japan, and also other area, such as America, Europe, and Asia. Cnc constantly makes reform and innovation in technology and keeps in step with the times in thought and continuous adjusting the way, which makes Cnc go forward well and fast. We pursue a distinctive in thought, management, and efficiency to work our way with the guideline of seeking truth and fact. Cnc is willing to work with you joining hands, common development for a better future.